In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple batch listings on Facebook Marketplace. We'll start right inside the Facebook app. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date so the Marketplace features load correctly. From the home screen, look toward the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. On some devices, you might also see the Marketplace icon right on the top bar of the home screen. If you do, you can tap that to jump straight in. Once you're in the menu, tap Marketplace. This takes you to Facebook's Buying and Selling Hub. From here, look for the Selling tab. Tap Selling to access your seller tools and existing listings. Next, choose the option for multiple items. This is the batch listing feature that lets you add several items in one session, saving you time and keeping your workflow organized. If you don't see multiple items, don't worry. Some newer accounts don't have full marketplace access yet, so the option might not appear. In that case, focus on building a bit of account history, following marketplace policies, and listing a few single items first. As your account gains trust and meets eligibility, the multiple items option typically becomes available. If you do have access, go ahead and enter your listings. For each item, add clear, well-lit photos that show the product from multiple angles. Write a concise title, pick the correct category, and set the condition accurately so buyers know what to expect. Add a fair price based on local demand, and include a helpful description. Mention key specs, measurements, brand details, any flaws, and what's included. Set your location and choose whether you're offering local pickup, shipping, or both. If you're repeating a similar format for several items, keep your titles consistent and make sure each description is specific to the item to avoid confusion. Aim for honest, transparent details. This cuts down on back and forth messages and builds trust. Before you publish, double check everything. Confirm photos are crisp, titles are typo free, categories match, and prices are correct. If you're listing many items at once, a quick final scan can prevent mistakes. When everything looks good, tap publish. Your items will go live and you'll start receiving messages from interested buyers in your inbox. That's it. Open the app, head to Marketplace, go to Selling, use multiple items if available, enter complete details for each product, and publish. With a little preparation and accurate information, batch listing on Facebook Marketplace becomes fast, consistent, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.